Hi, this is Abhishek from gadgetsjuice.com, and today we are going to do a detailed comparison of Nokia Lumia 520 and 620. Here we have the 520 and here we have Nokia Lumia 620. We have the devices in red and white color, and we are now going to do a detailed comparison of both of these devices, and we will tell you which one you should buy as per your needs. We have already done a quick comparison of both of these two phones, and you can watch that in case you want a quick comparison. Now, to start with the comparison, first of all I would like to say that both of these phones are equally capable in terms of the overall processing power. Both of these phones have 512 MB of RAM. Both of these phones have the same processor, and both of these are again candy bar phone. 4-inch IPS LCD display on Nokia Lumia 520, whereas if we take a look over Nokia Lumia 620, this one has a clear black TFT display, which actually has better viewing angles as compared to Nokia 520. As you can see right now, if we take a look on both of these phones, the colors are actually faded on Nokia Lumia 520 if you can notice, but they are looking pretty okay on Nokia Lumia 620, which is over here. Now if I talk about other differences in between these phones, first of all, Nokia Lumia 520 has a bigger display, but it doesn't have a front camera, whereas you have a 0.3 megapixel front camera, which is capable of recording video at VGA quality from the front camera. Whereas if we take a look at the back side, on the back side you have a 5 megapixel camera on both of these phones, and you have an LED flash over here on Nokia Lumia 620, where you don't have an LED flash on 520. Now if I talk about the overall picture clarity and the quality of photos which you can take, overall camera performance in daylight is equally good on both of these devices, whereas in low light Nokia Lumia 620 performs better because of the LED flash, and Nokia Lumia 520 is not. Have 8 GB of internal storage on both of these devices, and you can also expand the storage of the device up to 32 GB with the micro SD memory card slot, which is there on the back side on both of these phones. Now if we take a look on both of these devices from the back side, micro SD memory card slot over here on Nokia Lumia 620, whereas you have the micro SD memory card slot over here. You have the SIM card slot, whereas the SIM card goes below the battery on Nokia Lumia 620. Now if we compare the battery on both of these devices, you get a 1430 mAh battery on Nokia Lumia 520, whereas you have a slightly lesser battery, which is 1300 mAh on Nokia Lumia 620. Now taking a look over the back cover on both of these phones, you have a slightly better plastic back cover on Nokia Lumia 620, which feels much more solid as it doesn't bend, as you can see, whereas the back cover on Nokia Lumia 520 is something which is made up of very thin plastic. It is not very good in terms of the overall quality of plastic which they have actually used. However, the finish of the back cover is actually much more premium and much more smoother on Nokia Lumia 520 as compared to the finish of the back cover on Nokia Lumia 620. As far as video calling is concerned, both of these phones support Skype for video calling, and you can do a video call on Nokia Lumia 520 using the back camera. However, during the video call you won't be able to see the other person, as well as you won't be able to see how you are actually looking like in that video call. Whereas you have a front camera on Nokia Lumia 620, and you can do a video call using the front camera. The Skype application which comes for Windows Phone does not allow you to use the back camera on Nokia Lumia 620. So as far as video calling is concerned, Nokia Lumia 620 is much better for doing a video call because it has a front camera, whereas the front camera is missing on Nokia Lumia 520. You can record high definition videos on both of these phones, that is maximum 720p video which you can record using the back camera, which is a 5 megapixel camera on both of these devices. Both of these devices weight fairly the same as per the specifications, but Nokia Lumia 520 feels slightly lighter as compared to Nokia Lumia 620. Specs are pretty much the same for both of these phones as far as the processing power and the graphic performance is concerned, whereas if we talk about price, we have Nokia Lumia 520, which is available at a price of around 10,000 Indian rupees, whereas you get Nokia Lumia 620 at a price in between 13 to 14,000 Indian rupees. The display resolution on Nokia Lumia 520 and 620 is same, that is 800 into 480 pixels, and the pixel density on Nokia Lumia 520 is 233 pixels per inch, whereas you get 246 pixels per inch on Nokia Lumia 620 because of the shorter display size. But again, both of these displays looks fairly good when it comes to the overall pixels. I do not see any kind of pixelation on any of these phones. As you can see, this is how the camera interface looks like on both of these devices. It is almost the same, and let me just take this photo of this particular mouse in low light, and this is how the photo will look like on both of these displays. The display is again pretty much different when it comes to the overall technology. You have a TFT display on Nokia Lumia 620, whereas you have an IPS LCD display on Nokia Lumia 520. The object is actually looking much more brighter on 520, whereas as far as the colors are concerned, it is much more natural in terms of the overall colors on this display on Nokia Lumia 620. However, the camera has actually performed similar in terms of the overall details. If I talk about for this particular object, the details are captured pretty nicely and almost the same kind of detail which I can see in both of these photos. The only difference is the display, which is making this photo look different on both of these phones. Both of these devices support high definition videos playback, both at 720p as well as at 1080p. Now the audio quality from both of these phones is pretty much the same on the headphones. We have experienced that the Nokia Lumia 620 is slightly louder as compared to Nokia Lumia 520. Now the battery life on both of these phones is fairly good, and we have been using these phones for more than 2 weeks now, and we have experienced that the Nokia Lumia 520 slightly has higher battery backup as compared to Nokia Lumia 620. Now we have some white space on both of these phones comparing the display again. So the white is little bit brighter on Nokia Lumia 520 as you can see, whereas it is little bit of pale yellow on Nokia Lumia 620. Now to conclude our comparison review about both of these phones, we would like to say that both of these phones are fairly good in terms of the form factor. They will come easily into one of your hand. They will also go inside your jeans pocket without any problem. Nokia Lumia 620 feels slightly heavier, whereas it is little bit more comfortable to hold actually because of the rounded edges over here, whereas you also have rounded edges on Nokia Lumia 520 as well, but again these edges are little bit kind of sharp over here, which slightly makes it less comfortable to hold in one hand as compared to the Nokia Lumia 620 as you can see. All from us as far as the detailed comparison of Nokia Lumia 520 and 620 is concerned. Do let us know if you have any specific questions on any of these phones. We would love to help you. You can like this video by clicking the like button below, or you can subscribe to our YouTube video channel for more videos like this by clicking the subscribe button below. Thanks for watching this video. This is Abhishek signing off. Thank you.